Welcome to English Universe, your one-stop channel for learning English in fun and exciting ways. Today, we'll talk about something truly magical and life-changing: manifestation. Have you ever wondered how some people seem to achieve everything they desire? Whether it's wealth, happiness, love, or success, it feels like they have a secret formula. Well, here's the good news. You can do it too. By the end of this video, you will not only understand how manifestation works, but also learn how to use it to achieve your goals while improving your English. So, make sure to stay with me till the end, because what you're about to learn could completely change your life. Let's start with a simple but powerful idea. Your thoughts create your reality. Think of your mind as a magnet. Whatever you think about, you attract into your life. If you're constantly thinking, "I'm not good enough," or "I'll never succeed," guess what? That's what you'll experience. But if you think, "I can do this," or "I am worthy of success," you begin to attract those things. Manifestation is about using this power of your mind to bring your dreams to life. It's not magic. It's a mix of mindset, focus, and action. So, where do we begin? The first and most important step is to believe in yourself. You need to have confidence in your ability to achieve what you want. Many of us grow up with limiting beliefs. Things like, "I'm not smart enough," "I don't deserve to be rich," or "it's too late for me to change." These thoughts are like chains holding you back. To start manifesting, you have to break those chains. Tell yourself, "I am capable, I am deserving, and I can achieve anything I set my mind to." The more you believe in yourself, the more power you have to change your life. Once you believe in yourself, the next step is to get clear about your goals. What do you really want in life? Is it a better job, financial freedom, good health, or a loving relationship? Don't just say, "I want to be happy," or "I want to be successful." Be specific. For example, instead of saying, "I want more money," say, "I want to save $20,000 in the next year." Instead of saying, "I want to be healthy," say, "I want to lose 10 kilograms in 6 months." When you define your goal clearly, it becomes easier to focus on it. After you've decided what you want, the next step is to visualize it. Visualization is one of the most powerful tools in manifestation. Close your eyes and imagine yourself achieving your goal. If your dream is to buy a house, picture yourself walking through it, decorating it, and feeling happy inside it. If your goal is to get a promotion, imagine yourself sitting in your new office or celebrating your success. Visualization helps your brain understand what you want and gives you the motivation to work for it. Do this every day, even if it's just for 5 minutes. Now let's talk about affirmations. These are positive statements that you repeat to yourself to program your mind for success. Think of affirmations as seeds you plant in your mind. If you say them daily, they grow into strong, positive beliefs. For example, you can say, "I am confident," "I attract success," or "I am worthy of my dreams." Write down your affirmations and place them where you can see them, on your mirror, your desk, or even your phone's lock screen. The more you repeat them, the more they become part of your reality. Manifestation is not just about thinking. It's also about taking action. Many people misunderstand this step. They think that just by thinking about their dreams, they will magically come true. But manifestation requires effort. If your goal is to learn English, you need to practice speaking, reading, and listening every day. If your dream is to start a business, you need to learn, plan, and take risks. Break your big goal into smaller, manageable steps and work on them consistently. Remember, small actions every day lead to big results over time. Another important part of manifestation is gratitude. Being thankful for what you already have helps you attract more good things into your life. Every morning, take a moment to think of 3 things you are grateful for. It could be as simple as having a roof over your head, good health, or a kind friend. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you already have, and this positive energy helps you manifest your dreams. Let me share a real-life example of how manifestation works. There was a young woman who wanted to become a professional singer. She had no formal training and lived in a small town with no opportunities. But she believed in herself and her dream. Every day, she visualized herself performing on stage. She practiced singing every morning and evening. She also wrote affirmations like, "I am a talented singer," and repeated them daily. Over time, she started getting small gigs, which led to bigger opportunities. Today, she's a successful singer. This is the power of belief, focus, and action. Sometimes, you might face doubt or fear, and that's okay. It's normal to feel this way when you're working towards something big. But don't let these feelings stop you. When doubt creeps in, remind yourself why you started. Write down your goals again, visualize your success, and surround yourself with positive people who support you. Remember, every challenge you face is a step toward your success. Manifestation also works better when you are in a state of positivity. Surround yourself with things that make you happy and inspire you. Listen to motivational podcasts, read inspiring books, or watch uplifting videos. Stay away from negativity, whether it's people, news, or situations that bring you down. The more positive energy you create, the more you will attract good things into your life. Let's talk about patience. Manifestation doesn't happen overnight. It's not like planting a seed and expecting a tree the next day. It takes time, effort, and faith. Trust the process and keep going, even if you don't see results immediately. Remember, every small step brings you closer to your goal. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small it is. Each step is a victory. To wrap up, manifestation is about believing in yourself, being clear about your goals, visualizing them, taking action, showing gratitude, and staying positive. It's a journey that requires focus, patience, and determination. Start practicing these steps today, and you'll be amazed at the changes you'll see in your life. Thank you for joining me today on this journey of learning about manifestation and improving your English at the same time. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, English Universe. Let's make your dreams a reality together. See you in the next video. Keep believing in yourself, and remember, you have the power to change your life.